Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I want to share with you why I'm avoiding Tesla stock for now and for the immediate future. And I just want to make it clear for this video, I'm not taking a look at the fundamentals, but I'm just taking a look at solely the technicals and the price chart for Tesla stock. So if you take a look at Tesla current price chart, you'll notice that Tesla stock has declined by quite a fair bit since its peak back about last year. So the peak was around here. And since then, Tesla stock has been moving sideways and downwards to where it's currently at right now. So as you can see, Tesla stock is currently staging a rally. But I believe that this rally is a short-term one. And here's why. And to understand why, we'll take a look at stage analysis by Stan Weinstein. If you want to discover more about Stan Weinstein's stage analysis, you can check out my video at the top right of your screen, where I share in greater detail about stage analysis and how you can identify the different stages. But in this video, I'll provide you with a quick recap. So to do that, let's take a look at this image over here. So pardon me, this image is not the clearest, but you get the basic idea. So in Stan Weinstein's stage analysis, there are 4 different stages. So you have stage 1, stage 2, stage 3, and stage 4. And these different stages correspond to the different market cycles. So as you can see on the screen, stage 1 corresponds to this sideways movement. So this is where prices base and move sideways. After stage 1, we have stage 2. So in stage 2, this is where prices make their greatest move. And this is where you want to invest and trade in, because stage 2 will make up a huge portion of your profits if you can capture it. Then after stage 2, we have stage 3. So stage 3 is also where prices move sideways. At this stage, there is distribution by the big institutions. So big institutions are selling their stock at this point over here. And as they are dumping their stock, most retail investors and traders are buying at this point, because at this point, the news tends to be good. And then after the distribution is complete, we have stage 4. Stage 4 is where prices make their decline. And if you are an investor and trader, you want to avoid being long in stocks in this stage, because this stage is where the most damage is done to investors and traders' portfolios. And then after stage 4, we go back to stage 1 again, and this cycle repeats itself. And this is the stage analysis by Stan Weinstein. If you take a look at the history of the stock market, you'll notice that this cycle repeats itself over and over again. So you'll always see stage 1, stage 2, stage 3, stage 4, and stage 1 again. So if you want to learn how to identify and take advantage of these different stages in the stock market, you need to know stage analysis by Stan Weinstein. Right, so now that we have quickly went through the stage analysis by Stan Weinstein, let's take a look at the price chart of Tesla. So we'll go back over here, and if we zoom out over here, what do you see for Tesla stock? Can you see the different stages taking place on Tesla stock chart? Okay, let me visualize that for you. So over here, from this point all the way to this point, we have stage 1. So remember, stage 1 is where prices base and move sideways. And then after stage 1, we move into stage 2. So stage 2 is at this point over here. This is where prices move up and make their biggest gains. So as an investor and trader, you want to capture this portion of the move. Then after stage 2, stage 3 over here. So as you can see over here, this is stage 3 as Tesla's prices start to move sideways. This is also where the big institutions are selling. Note that big institutions doesn't necessarily mean just big organizations. They can also be individuals who hold a large majority or stake in Tesla. And if you have been following the news recently, you know that Elon Musk, who holds quite a bit of Tesla stock, has sold his Tesla stock to fund some of his purchase of Twitter. So in stage 3, we see the big institutions unloading their stock onto the retail investors and traders. And then after stage 3, over here, we have stage 4. So stage 4 is the decline over here. So as you can see based on the chart, Tesla is currently in stage 4 of the cycle. So does this mean that Tesla stock cannot rebound and could make new highs from here? It definitely still can, because in the stock market, we can't rule out anything. But if you are a seasoned investor and trader, you know that investing and trading in the stock market is about probabilities. And if you are talking about probabilities right here, there's a higher probability that Tesla will either move sideways or move down from here. Either way, if you have long positions in Tesla stock, it is not beneficial for you to hold them right now. Why so? This is because in the first scenario, let's say Tesla stock does not decline, but it moves sideways. Yes, you might not be losing a lot of money during that period, but what you're losing out is you're losing out on time that you can use to invest and trade in other stocks that can give you a positive rate of return during this period. So if Tesla stock moves sideways, while you might not necessarily be losing money, you're losing time. So that's the first scenario. The second scenario is Tesla stock continues to move downwards. In that scenario, you're losing both time and money. So based on the stage analysis of Tesla stock, there's a higher probability that Tesla stock will either move sideways or continue its decline in the near to intermediate future. And that is why I'm avoiding Tesla stock. So if you have enjoyed and liked this video, smash that like button, because it will really help the channel grow and allow me to produce more content such as this. And if you are new to this channel, make sure you subscribe to my channel, because each week I release new videos about investing, trading, and the stock market. I'll see you in those other videos. to your financial success.